The Yuba City Unified School District offers students career technical education pathways at Yuba City and River Valley High Schools. Speak with your school counselor for more information about CTE classes available to you. Agriculture Pathways freshmen can start with Ag Science 1, or Ag Earth Science, or Ag Biology, or Ag Welding Design and Fabrication 1. Sophomores and up can start a pathway with Animal Science, Ag Science 2, Greenhouse, or Floral Design. Perhaps you like building things. Try welding or Ag Welding Design and Fabrication. Interested in photography or video production? Explore digital arts media, beginning photography, digital photography, and video production. Perhaps you are interested in video game design or computer science. Family and Consumer Science pathways start with Life Management 1. Sophomores and up can start with Fashion Design, Nutritional Science, or Child Development. Interested in architecture or engineering? Try Industrial Design or Introduction to Engineering. These courses lead to the architecture pathway or the engineering pathway. Thinking about a career in the medical field? Start with medical biology or sports medicine. Law enforcement is an exciting career. 11th graders can take Law Enforcement 1 and Law Enforcement 2. Like working on cars? Sign up for auto mechanics.